Okay, kids, we're here at school. Yeah, I'm going to miss you. Me too. I'm going to miss school. Sorry, Olivia. That's for bigger. But you're going to be bigger, and I like Jan and Luke. Well, okay. Goodbye. Goodbye, Jan and Luke. Goodbye. Bye. See you tomorrow. I'm going to miss school. No problem. Bye. See you tomorrow, and please back right now. I think so. Bye. Bye. Oh, look. They are coming to the boss. Now, here we go, kids. Thank you. Goodbye, Mommy. Goodbye. Thanks for the school. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow. I finally missed a school today. I know, so exciting. Me too. This is a great job. Let's go to the school. Okay. Oh, why are we here at school? Yeah, finally. Hi, what's your problem? Well, I really have for the school for the first grade. Oh, okay, you better sit down. The weather is coming. What is that? What is that? What is that? Why you say that a dog? Well, because I'm so sorry. That's dog. Oh, her name. Katie. Katie. Oh, so cute. Let's open it. But having a notebook. It's okay. Everybody's an accident. Let's go. Okay. I found mine. Why is that pink box? I know. This is baby. Look at it. This man. I found mine. Close. Oh, right there. This could sit down. You come in the school. Oh, I thank you. Come on, let's go to the school. This is exciting. Yeah, I'm excited for the school tomorrow. Yes, of course. That's so much fun. Hi. Hi. Welcome to class. Oh, hi, remember me? Yeah, remember you. Yeah, I think it made me say that. What are you talking about? Huh? Huh? What? Wait. Classic 101. Yeah, man, sit down. Oh, sorry. Sit down. Huh? This is giving a sit down. No talking. Sorry. No talking. Sit down and be quiet. And listen to me, man. Okay? But she's giving. No talking. No talking. My name is Miss. Can you read that? Miss Classes Granny. Remember class boo, remember something else, okay? Now comment. I think no talking. Listen to me, teacher. Not for kids, okay? Okay. I'm not be quiet. No talking, please. No talking. But I'm a great job. I'm talking. Shh. So let's go start math. Okay, you have it to a math? Yes. Great job. Now listen to me and no talking. Okay. Okay. Class is number 1. We need to find it safely, okay? We need having you no talking. We're not talking, but I talking. Shh. Number 2, this other are talking, and we need to have fun for this die and start for the genius scoring. The genius one, not for kids are talking. Only the little one, not for the kids talking. All of that. That's for the teacher. Number 3, there's the other. Let's for the something for the like silly as talking. Okay. Okay. But Miss Cloud, but Miss Granny, Miss, be quiet. You can't hear me talking. Number 4, let's others are talking and you can't hear me talking anymore. But I was talking. But I think we're going to be talk like friends. Yeah, the home, yes, but not for the school. Number 5. Always wear your best, okay? Be quiet, be quiet. Be quiet. You can't. Sit down. Okay, fine. I don't want it to be sent down. No, let's to be back. Thank you. Oh, look, it's beautiful. You're not like me, Debbie. I'm making a good boy. Be quiet. Shh, shh. It's time for the start. You can't to be quiet. You want to miss it? Yes. Great. Now we need to be back. See this? That's for baby for this chicken. What is those? I know you. The chicken for my mother and we be up and we close to the babies. Good job. But no talking, okay? And what is this? That's computer. I don't think so. Be quiet. I'm gonna be facing down. See this? That's for the babies. That's for the adults. All done. We need. Thank you. Who's drawing? I don't know. No talking, okay? Okay, no, not talking. Okay, not talking. Now, what do you tell me? Like it's time for the notebook. A pink, a big blue, a pink, green, I pick not stuffy. I think I pick yellow. Yellow for the here we go. Thank you. I can't go. We need to be. That's okay. You do not need it. Okay. Okay, you start now. Here we go. Okay. Okay. Up with it. No talking. Oh, sorry. No talking. Okay, I'm not talking. Done. Yes. Okay. Little boy, you come further and tell me your name. What do you think? Okay. My name is Luke. I like to play Roblox. No. Too much screen time is no good. You're making your line. You can't be talking. I may teach you. I know you wanted to talk, but only little, not to sit down. Okay. Little girl, you go first. Okay. What do you name? My name Barbie, okay. And I like play, and I like the candy. Too much green. You can't eat much candy, okay? But you see, eat a fruit and vegetable. But I will eat it, not all. Yes, I know, but I'm a teacher. Sit down. Okay. Hey, Jan, you go first. Okay. Tell me your name. My name is Jan, and I like chocolates. What? You can't eat chocolate. We need to eat vegetable and carrot, okay? Okay. Boy, my name is Chimite, okay? And I like gummy. Gummies? No. I want too much sugar. We need to eat with fruit and vegetable. Okay. And you? You go first. Okay. My name is Shark, okay? And I drew a house. Because I love it, the house and I play with it. No. You go home. Because you didn't understand. Sit down. Because I love that apple. No, not. You know because you have to eat for vegetables. Sit down. Little girl, you go first. My name is Mary, okay? And I like play basketball. Good job. You got it. A plus. Thank you. Okay, sit down. And you? Okay. My name is Joybeat, and I like vegetable and fruit and carrot. Great job! You got it. A plus. Sit down. My name is Juliet, and I like for apple. That's great, apple. Sit down. You got it. Okay. Wait. Now, no talking. You got it. And okay, wait a minute. You got it. A plus. You got it. A plus. Jan, you got it. A plus. All of them. Okay. Yay! Now we need to be the food, and we need to. It's time for the homework. Homework? I don't like homework. That's boring. We need to be homework because that's a lot of fun. But that was boring. No, it's not boring. Sit down with it, please. I will give you the paper. Okay. Here we go. Thank you. Now we need to have a lot of fun. Okay? Yes. Okay, I'm going to go and be something I love it. Okay, now that's a great job. Okay? I got a break idea. What? I got a break idea. No talking, please. Remember? But I want to talking. I wanted to bully because I was so sad. I don't care. Sit down. Let's go to the Sunday. Jen, what? I got a prank idea. But we need to be having some fun. But shh, be quiet. This one. The Jen, what are you doing here? Yeah, what are you doing here? No talking. Oh, sorry. Are you done? Not yet. Hurry up! In 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Quiet down! Everybody quiet down! Are you done homework? Let me see. Oh wow, you got it A. And time for the homework to be started a number, okay? Okay. Now let's go to the plus. And let's go to the one. What's a word? Let me see the mind. Now let's see. 1 and 1 equals, and it's going to be 2. Good job! You got it A plus. Woohoo! You got it A plus. Good job. You got it A plus. You're very good. And we're going to be 1 and 1. And what happens when the next? And then we could be 10. 10. Wake up, no falling asleep. Sit down. They're going to, hey, excuse me. 20. Good job. You got it correct. You better, good job. You got it A plus. Look, you got it C. That's correct. You got it C. But it's okay. Okay, that's good. But I'm sad because when my parents are going to be. Okay, and you better good girl and good boy. Now it's time for eat. What do you have? I think I have. You got it, the cake. Me too, cake. Me too, cake. No, we need to remove. Now I'm done. But I wanted to be this one. No. We need to. That's for babies. Here we go. Ew, I don't like it. I like gummy. Me too. I'm going to be nap. Nap? No. You can't be nap. That's for babies. Okay? Okay, sorry. No talking. I got a brain idea. What? But what are you doing? Better be careful. You better be careful. just like the glue. I was the glue over there because I wanted to the glue. I wanted to do it. Look at this. Okay. Now it's time for the humping. Wow! Whooped it. Look! Look what you do that! I just because I wanted to follow. No, I so mad at you because you did great job. You got an F. I got an F. I'm so sorry. Just because you do not even listen to me. No, you're not. We need to be happy and have fun. We have to do the book good go. Okay? Okay. Everybody, we need not to hit it right now. It's time for lunch. Go. Okay, I'm going to do it now. Thank you. Look, why did you do that? I'm so sorry because I want to know. But just because you did great. Bad boy. Great job. You can't be napped. That's for babies. You can't. I can't. Sorry, because I'm running. Congratulations. Thank you for the apple. You're welcome, sir. Wait, that's Daddy? No, that's not Daddy. That's the new happening to do a great job. But where's the lunch? I think so. Excuse me? What? Do you have any snacks? Okay. There's over there. Thank you. But I'm still a cake every day. Oh, what? You can't do that. That's for babies. It's right here. Oh my god, I forgot. That was super stupid. Oh my god, yes, I know. That was so crazy. Crazy granny, yeah. Crazy granny, yeah. Tell me like Anna Kai, she's to be cute. And the big granny because I don't really like this. I just said because I'm a maker. I don't make it. Why you just like it says like this, and I'm a nice like this. I don't know if we say that because I'm a bad girl because I'm mania. I'm mania. Now let's sit down. Okay, sorry. Sit down and please. Okay, thank you. Okay, what's in your fruits? I like the fruit that is same. We don't have the cake, but we have that. Lily, that's okay? I think that's okay. Ew, I don't like green. That's so yucky. That's like gumbo. What? You can't gumbo. The cake. You can't a cake. We need to eat. Okay, fine. Just like this. And I'm gonna like this. Let's eat. Alright. I'm all done. Let's go. Alright, let's go. It's time for the singing! A, B, C, D, U, N, T. A, B, C, D! Yay! Come on, kids. Come on, guys. Let's go. We need to be singing a song. Singing a song. That's so much fun. Yay! You great job. Ever has fun. You better good job. A lot of fun. Yes. But no talking. But I want to talk. Shh. We need to pay attention, okay? Again. But I want to be talking. No talking, okay? That's for babies. Okay, I'm not talking. Everybody with that tune, we need to have talking. Okay. You can't talk it anymore. Okay, I'm not talking. Let's sing the song, okay? 3, 2, 1, go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, X, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next I want you to sing with me. Great job, you better. Good job, kids. Yay! Woo! Now let's sing a song. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay? Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above a world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I want you reach you higher. What? Ew, you can't. That's bad. But it's okay. Now you better, everybody that, hey, woo! But no talking. Yes! No talking. No talking. Okay? Have it back to me. Wait, what did you say? She's talking. What? What do you say when you want to go up? Shh. We need to picture you because you can't be talking, okay? Okay, I'm not talking. I'll be right back. I'm going to be bathroom. Okay? Okay, I'm going to be bathroom. You're going to be bathroom? No, I'm just joking. Please, okay. I got a prank idea. What is that? Let's go. What are you doing? I guess I'm gonna put it in. But look, you can't. What have you done? I don't care. Stop it, you're so baby. A secret. Oh no, I'll call me by with my teacher. Oh my god, oh, it's no matter. And please don't talk for me. Okay, alright, I must tell you Who did that? Look, I told you. Look, it's time to mine. What did you done? I'm so sorry because I don't mean like this. But I'm sorry. I'm going to kill you. Hey! No! Stop! You can't. I started to prank. I got to play this prank. Now it's time. Principal Kajo! It's principal right now. I'll be able to talk. I'm going to be to call the parent, okay? Oh no, please don't do that. I'm so sorry, children, but I made your mom, I made your teacher. Please take me a chance because I don't want it to be rude. Okay, you got it, but you're not. But please don't do that again, okay? You see, you don't want to call the parent. I will not to call the parent. Yay, thank you. Now, do not to call the parent. This one. Now sit down. I know, dude, this is my fun. I think in a minute that's okay. I think I see super have so for have so fun and have it. Excuse me, I don't want to drink water. No. It's time to play outside. Yay! Time to play outside. Let's go! Yay! Now be quiet, kids. Why are you not screaming, guys? Because I'm so nervous. Oh, okay. Alright. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Up, where say hi. Let's get jam and get a guy. Twinkle, yeah, your child. How I want you are. That's for us fun. Welcome to class. Welcome to the house of fun. Wait a minute. Who are you? I'm the cement. Don't want to play with me. Hey. Kids, come in. Yuppie! I have a sunflower on me, and a supper waiting be great job. A la reina de mi corazón, a la reina, y de ya vemos. Wait for me, I want to come too. Me too. Me 4, me 5. Who won it? I wanted that. That's great. Yeah, that's me. That's you. Es like como Space Jam. Oh, me para como Space Jam. Welcome to New York. It's the baby for you. No cante, porquería. What is that? Why are you screaming? I think if we say so. Didi not to lobby. You want to be informant? Are you ready? Yes. Baby on it. Black, white, green, or wing. You got it, the green. Flamingo. Oh no, no, no. You wanted the color, that's cool too. What? I failed. You got a 0. Ugh, this is boring. My turn. Bum 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 bum. Crocodile and get that myself bomb. What did you? Now it's my turn. Whee! Oh my god. Bucky you. Bike, Bucky you. Bike. Bike, you. Bike. Como la bicicleta. Como the bike. Baby on it. Black, white, green or pink. Jana, trophy from me. Jump! Oh! Sorry! One. Oh my god, you did it! Let's clear the cruise! Now let's go to the phone. Baby on it. Black, white, green or pink. Jana, trophy, flamingo. Oh no. You wanted to call it that could do. And the bottom of the say that I don't beat. I don't know, maybe say that because I'm bad girl. And I'm to be say that I don't know really what's happening to you. Call me the back of you. Then I'm to be say that because I'm a baby, baby. And the cat to me, the cat to me. Call me, why you baby do that to me? Tell me what you mean, tell me what you mean. Tell me what you mean, tell me. What you waiting for? Tell me. Yeah! Alright, kids, it's time for go home. You better eat. And you better good job. And don't be like this. I'm a good girl. Bye, everybody. Oh my god, I love it so much fun. And I love it so much fun to miss the school. And I love it so much, so much. We do the I don't know. I love it your way, don't bite. Pretty time to say, I understand you with no cara porque Marisol va a escuchar. Está loca, nena. I do think so. Please try to say, I understand you, but my mama's mine. Yeah, mama say that. Look, mommy, daddy was here. Hi, how was the day at school? Great job. But don't tell her. Look, I'll remember for the last time for the bed. I got a surprise for you. What is it? We need to be scattered for we need to be having a lot of fun. What? We need to be highlighted to support the moment. You remember the married And we're going to be having a baby tomorrow, mañana. Yes. Yay! We need eternity. It's going to be called tomorrow, rainy day. There's a cold and Thanks for watching, and don't remember to subscribe.